If you are looking to add more whole foods to your diet, such as the nuts and the seeds, because they are high in nutrients and fiber, then my homemade granola recipe is perfect. And not only that, today I am going to share with you 4 different ways to enjoy it. Greek yogurt, granola, and fruit bowl. And I got my chia pudding here. I'm gonna take my apples here. Up next, we have our granola. We have a nice little crunch going on here too. And then last, our sauce. If you're in the mood for some cereal, take some of your favorite milk. I've got almond milk here, along with some of this homemade granola. Pour some in and get ready to enjoy your perfect bowl of cereal. That is really good. And last, if you are looking for a snack, take some of this granola along with a few pieces of your favorite sugar-free chocolate, combine them, and enjoy. That is a perfect combination of the nuts and the chocolate. Whatever you're in the mood for, these are all excellent ways to add this nutrient and fiber-rich granola to your diet. And if you're looking for a recipe, please check out the card above. And also, you can find the recipe in my description. So you guys, if you are interested in learning how to make other healthy versions of the foods that we love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. I love to whip up a batch of this granola over the weekend, and then what I do is I store it in either a Ziploc bag or, depending upon how much I make, in one of these mason jars, you guys. So it's ready when I'm ready. You guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, then please do remember to give it a like. And also, if you are enjoying the content that I am bringing you here, please remember to subscribe to my channel and also share my channel with those that you feel will benefit from what we are doing here. And as always, you guys, remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And Enjoy. Thanks for joining me.